Hey everyone, it's Mike, that critter guy. Just happened up on a male velvet ant. You've seen my videos of the female velvet ant, aka cow killer. The female is wingless and the male has wings. Female has an extremely large, painful sting and stinger. The male doesn't have a stinger. So I guess his trade-off was wings without the stinger. They typically fly low over grass on the ground looking for a female to mate to. Very docile. Even the females are very docile, not aggressive unless threatened. The male also makes the little squeaking noise that I showed on another video on my channel. Be sure to check that out. Interesting little creatures though. Let's see if I can get him to come aboard my hand without flying away. There you go. Just wanted to share. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget. Come climb with me. Come crawl with me. Thanks for watching.